Hello guys, I'm back, and I don't know if you can see this, but it's a woodpecker right there. I see that. I see that woodpecker. It's like right there. Right there. It's like, no, I want to zoom in, but I can't. But it's like a woodpecker. See? Ooh, boy, look at that woodpecker. I hope it don't come down this fucker. Like, grab a stick. I'm going to throw something at it.
I need to find something.
Let's try to throw something. I'll try to throw something at it. Hopefully it don't come down the pecker. Ooh. Hey, woodpecker. Come here, woodpecker. Oh, man. I don't think y'all can see this, though. But there's actually a woodpecker in our tree, though.
Where is it?
Right there, like, bro.
I'm not spotting it.
Alright, guys. I hope y'all saw this woodpecker, but
That's so
yeah. Oh, now I found some. My sister found some. Where'd it go? Alright, I'm about to try to throw this remote at it.